Okay, let's talk about these Cabbage Patch shoes. I did a water light rinse. That is it. I'm selling them as a TLC lot. I am not going to spend the time cleaning them. I am going to let whoever buys them clean them as they wish. This pair is sticky. I have no idea how to get the stickiness off. I know there is a way to do it, but they are definitely sticky. Besides that, they are not too bad if you can get the sticky off. So yeah, I think they're Cabbage Patch brand. I'm not 100% sure. I think it looks like they say Hong Kong down in there. Yeah, it looks like Hong Kong. But yes, that pair is sticky. These are not marked, but they were inside with all of the other Cabbage Patch brand shoes. So I'm not 100% these are Cabbage Patch brand. I did not attempt to try to get off the scuffs, so that may or may not come off. I know sometimes people use magic eraser and stuff like that. I did not attempt. Again, I just used water. This pair is super, super cute. They do have a little bit of blue right there. Not sure if you'll be able to get that off. So they're kind of like a high top lace up. They do say CPK on them. And let's see, do they say anything on the inside? I don't see anything. Just the marking on the outside, it looks like, but I may be missing something. I'm not super familiar with Cabbage Patch items. But I'm just trying to show you guys condition is basically what I'm doing in this video. These are being sold as is TLC. Most of them do not have their match. This one says Hong Kong. It is a single shoe, does not have the match, no laces. Another one, single. Really the only one that's sticky are these, and they are sticky, yuck. Hong Kong, single shoe, so it's a replacement, does have some condition issues. These three are, they all appear to be the same. The laces have some issues. I don't know if you can bleach them, so I'm gonna leave them in. They are all, say, Hong Kong on the inside. You may be able to get them cleaner than I did. Is this one the same? That looks like it might be the same pattern, but no laces. Got a little issue on the back. Really need cleaned up. I did a light rinse with water, so you may have two sets there, not 100% sure. This one has a different pattern on the front. It looks like this is the match, but this one has definitely got some issues here. And also it's got some weird issues down on the inside. So maybe more pairs than I thought. These two definitely are just singles. This pair is definitely my favorite. I think these are adorable. It's still a little wet from me cleaning them. That was just a glare from my light box. And again, don't know if these are actually Cabbage Patch or not. I think the rest are, but I am not a Cabbage Patch expert. So these are the shoes that you are gonna get in this lot. Sold as is, as seen. Again, this pair is super sticky, and the rest are just more like scuffs and stuff that need cleaned up. This pair is not in great shape. I don't know if you can do anything with those or not. This lace isn't too bad, but I don't know. So that's the lot. Thanks for watching.